In JavaScript, the array sort method sorts the array. First, we need an array, so let R equals an array with B, A, and C. Nothing fancy here, let's do r.sort. Then, on the next line, console.log R. From the way I've written out this code, hopefully you can see that sort mutates the existing array. If we run the code, you'll see the array sorted in alphabetical order. Now, for JavaScript strange design decision number 1,000,000, when given no arguments, sort sorts everything alphabetically, even if you give it an array of numbers. Let's change R to 11 and 2 and run the code. You'll see it didn't change it at all. This is because 1 comes first alphabetically before 2, so in that context, the 11 shouldn't come after the 2. Now, JavaScript does have a way for sorting to not be insane, and that is to pass in a custom comparison function. The function that we will pass to R will be an arrow function. It will take in an A and B argument and return an A minus B. So, parentheses, A comma B equals sign greater than sign A minus B. Sort uses this function to compare array elements. For sake of example, you can consider the 11 to be A and the 2 to be B. A minus B results in a positive number, so that indicates that A is greater than B. Conversely, if A minus B resulted in a negative number, that would indicate that A is less than B. Hopefully you can see that if A and B's subtraction resulted in 0, that would mean they are equal. If your comparison function has all these properties, then it will sort the numbers in ascending order. If we run this code, you'll see that now the 2 properly comes before the 11. I won't go through the whole example, but if you simply flipped this subtraction in the comparison function, then you could sort the array in descending order. One last bit I'll touch on, the comparison function doesn't have to be relegated to sorting values in numeric order. It can be whatever you can code up and want. For example, if we change this array to hold Brittany, Alf, and Charlie, then we could write the comparison function to sort by the length of each string. To do this, we could change the subtraction to be A dot length minus B dot length. If we run this code, you'll see the names are sorted in order of increasing name length. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.